Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have the Master number 27, which is 50mm laminated padlock up with a removable core. Very thick shackle. Not sure how thick it is in a second. There we go, there's an 11mm shackle on there. So bitting on it is nothing special. So thanks again to the Lockpicking Loy for sending this, giving me the chance to have a go. And let's get it in the vise here and see how we get on. So that looks about right. So I'm using a Peterson pry bar out of the flat 5 set this time because it's a little bit deeper, just so that I can get over the rivets on the back here. And I'm using the SS Dev hook from Sparrows. Right, we'll start at the back. Fairly reasonable tension on here. I think we're back to that was 2, I think. There we go, we've got a click. In fact, that was 1. 3, 4. I think we've got 5 pins in here. That was 3. We've got a very slight movement on the core. 4 is bound now, but doesn't want to move. There we go, that was 4. I had to lighten right up on the tension, and we got it. So there we are, open. Let's get that out of the way. Get the pinning mat in, or the pinning tray, adjust the camera, and there we go, let's just see it actually operating with the key. And I did actually look in here earlier, and I'm glad I did, because it is a Allen bolt, and it's actually an Imperial one, which I didn't have any Imperial Allen keys in here, so I had to go and dig some out from somewhere else. So there we go with that. That's what we've got inside. And there's the core, which is just a 5-pinner. So this is one of the ones, never come across one of these before, which has got the pinch in there. So I think if we turn this 90 degrees, the pinch on the back then corresponds with the keyway. Yep, so that moves. but I'm pretty sure that means also the follower won't go in. So I think what we're going to have to do is reverse gut this. So my pins are there. Get that in that position, see how this works. Right, there we go, number 5. Is a standard pin. Number 4 is a standard. Number 5, standard. Sorry, I'm going the wrong way. Number 2 is standard. It was number 1. Is there, which is standard. So it's all standard top pins. And let's check along the bottom here. 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, excuse me, and 5 is standard. There's a surprise. So there we have it. Don't expect there's anything special in there or in there. Let's get a bit of light. It almost looks, it's probably just where the springs have been, but it almost looks like a little bit of threading in there, but I can't believe there is. But anyway, there it is. The Master number 27. Let's just a quick close up. Not there's much to see. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.